Third Eye Blind and Semi-Charmed live here at the Borders Triple M. It's Lou and Al for breakfast at 8 to 7 on your Wednesday, and we are about to, live in the studio, bring it on today.
Yeah, we are. You might know of the musical, the movie, Bring It On. Well, Scott School Albury is doing a live Bring It On as their theatre performance for this year. And if you've ever been to one of the Scott School productions, they do an amazing job. So this morning we're chatting with three of the stars of the show, Ruby, Charlotte and Finn. Hi, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Guys, come on, you're in year 12. Aren't you busy enough with all that you've got on your plate in your final year of schooling to be bringing it on?
Probably, but, you know, priorities, I suppose.
Yeah. And you've got to have a bit of fun as well at the same time, haven't you? Because it is obviously year 12, pretty high pressure environment. I'm assuming this is a bit of a pressure release valve almost.
Yeah, it's definitely a lot of commitment, but I think we have so much fun with it that it just seems like it's worth it to us.
Just playing.
Yeah.
Yep, love it.
Now, we put this to the crew earlier today. Bring it on. Obviously, there's a lot of tricks and moves that we're talking, you know, cheerleaders doing their thing. And
Yep.
I was curious to find out if any of our three superstars in the studio were capable of doing a backflip. And Finn, you're working on this, but you're running out of time because your first show's coming up next Thursday.
Yeah, I think I've been just saying to everyone that I'm going to do it, and I think it'll come. Hopefully.
Yeah, well, like I said, you've just got to peak at the right time.
Hey, that's
so
it,
as long as
yeah.
you're peaking next Thursday and Friday, you're sorted.
That's it. Wait around to see.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Exactly right. So as far as the athleticism of it, because obviously it's a cheerleading movie, production. Did you guys have to do any kind of extra training to get ready for it?
They did sort of recommend that we just keep up our general fitness, but we do have a professional choreographer who used to be a cheerleader choreographing the whole show.
Oh, wow.
So, Shanna's coming in clutch with that one. Yeah, it's just been really good to learn like new tricks and seeing all the talent from the other students. So many people can tumble, and it's just amazing, really.
It is pretty amazing. We forget, Al, as older people, that when you're young, you give all those things a go. Yeah. Like I can remember.
Yeah, I wouldn't try that now.
Like but no, that's exactly right. And you don't have the fear. Like I think we have that. Well, I know I do now. I'd be like, don't want to break a hip or
They're
anything.
far more flexible than we are.
Yeah, but as a teenager, well, of course you give everything a go.
Yeah,
but,
exactly.
But I guess, have there been any injuries? That's my question. Has anybody hurt themselves?
Not yet.
We're hoping no one breaks a leg or anything.
No, oh gosh, there'll be none of that.
So hopefully no one says to us before the show, break a leg, because, you know, like we
No.
wouldn't want that
Don't
in
do
this
that.
No,
one.
not in this production.
No, it's chookers these days. No leg breaking
Exactly.
allowed.
So behind the scenes, how much, talk us through an average week in the lead up to a production of this size? Are you catching up every couple of nights to go through things? Are you rehearsing during the day? Are you backflipping in your own backyards?
It's pretty hectic, to be honest. We spend Monday lunchtimes, Thursday lunchtimes, Friday lunchtimes, Monday after school,
Monday morning.
before school, Wednesday after school.
Wow.
Outside of that, you know, you're practicing lines. You're saying, "Oh, Ruby, can we sing through this really quick? Can we do this?" You know, I think as well as rehearsals, you've also got to be committed to it, which, you know, we've all put in the effort, and I think it's going to pay off. Yeah.
Do you find being in this, obviously because it's a musical, I'm assuming that the three of you are kind of into musical theatre in general, yes? Maybe?
Yeah.
Are you finding that there are some people that have decided to be part of the production that don't have that kind of background, that aren't sort of natural singers and actors, and they just thought, I'm going to do it?
Yeah, so the person who plays Eva in the show, Maddie, this is her first ever production. And she has a lead role. She is just amazing. Like, her singing has improved, incredible amounts from when we first started rehearsing. She's just so talented, and it's really cool to find those people who have that hidden talent that can finally, bring it to light.
I love it.
This is incredible.
Yeah, it's so fun. I was part of the school productions when I was at high school, and it was always, because it's an ensemble cast, it's just so much fun.
See, I think I was a plant at the back of a stage once, and that's as high as my acting career went, which is awesome.
But you would have been an amazing plant.
Oh, look, as plants go, I left nothing on stage. Absolutely. Look, this is going to be fantastic. Couple of big shows coming up. Like we said, the next Thursday and Friday, they both start at 7. What's the best way to get tickets?
You can check out the Scott's Albury website now.
Yeah, so if you go Scott's Albury, if you Google that, or scottsalbury.nsw.edu.au, you can get your tickets there. Finn, just out of curiosity, I know there are lots of girls in the show. Are there lots of boys in the show too?
Well, this year I think it's quite a big cast, especially like Mike's leads. I think there's 7 boys, including me. And I think 4 of them have never been in a show before. So that's pretty cool to see.
That's awesome.
So cool to see.
We've had our year 10s all participate over the past few years, and that's helped bring a lot of boys into the show. Some continue on. I think 3 or 4 have continued on this year from last year.
Yeah, that's wicked.
Great to see.
It really is fantastic. And Albury Wodonga has such a tradition of amazing theatre performances and musicals that I think, doing it, starting it when you're sort of in the lower years of high school, brilliant way to continue on. And it just goes to show it's something that everyone can do if they commit to it. And that's,
give it a go.
That's the
definitely.
best part.
Yeah.
Great experience.
Well, we can't wait. Like we said, 2 big shows. Make sure you Google Scott School for all the details there. Bring It On the musical starting next week. Guys, thank you so much for coming in. Congratulations on being part of what sounds like an absolutely phenomenal stage performance. And bonus points if you're getting any extra credits for drama this year by doing this in your final year of schooling.
Oh, we should hope so. Just bonus points for the dedication.
Absolutely.
Next Thursday and Friday, 26th and 27th of March. If you want to go, Scott's Albury is what you need to look up.